all of you in this class. This is the second part of your chapter electromagnetic waves. In first part, I have already taught you what is electromagnetic waves, properties of electromagnetic waves, origination of electromagnetic waves, and some phenomena or terms related to electromagnetic waves. Today I am going to explain electromagnetic spectrum. That means the orderly distribution of EM waves according to their either wavelength or frequency is called electromagnetic spectrum. Electromagnetic spectrum consists of 7 constituent components which have different wavelengths and different frequency ranges. Like, look here on the board, electromagnetic spectrum, the orderly distribution of wavelength of EM waves is called electromagnetic spectrum, and this is the constituent components of EM waves of electromagnetic spectrum. It has 7 constituent components. Number 1, gamma rays. It has minimum wavelength and maximum frequency range. Its wavelength is 10 to the power minus 13 meter to 10 to the power minus 10 meter. Wavelength is measured in meter or angstrom. And its frequency range is 3 into 10 to the power 21 hertz into 3 into 10 to the power 18 hertz. Hertz is the SI unit of frequency. And what is the frequency? The total number of oscillations and rotations which is happened in 1 second is known as frequency. Next one is X-rays. Its wavelength range is 10 to the power minus 10 meter to 10 to the power minus 8 meter, while its frequency range is 3 into 10 to the power 18 minus 3 into 10 to the power 16. This range is approx repeated in each next one. You use these tricks to learn the either wavelength range or frequency range. Okay? Here, ultraviolet rays, its wavelength range is 10 to the power minus 8 meter to 4 into 10 to the power minus 7 meter, while its frequency range is 3 into 10 to the power 16 hertz to 7.5 into 10 to the power 14 hertz. Next one is visible light. Visible light is most important part of our electromagnetic spectrum. Our eyes are sensitive to only visible light. Okay, its wavelength range is 4 into 10 to the power minus 7 meter to 7.5 into 10 to the power minus 7 meter. Okay, while its frequency range is 7.5 into 10 to the power 14 hertz to 4 into 10 to the power 14 hertz. After visible light, next component of EM waves is infrared light. Infrared light. Infrared rays are produced by the red hot substance at the time of sunset and sunrise. The sun radiates infrared ray. Okay, and when you heated the iron rod or any other metal rod and it becomes red hot, then it automatically radiates infrared ray. Okay, its wavelength is 7.5 into 10 to the power minus 7 meter to 10 to 10 to the power minus 3 meter, while its frequency range is 4 into 10 to the power 14 hertz to 3 into 10 to the power 11 hertz. Okay. Next one is microwaves. Microwaves. It has also 4 main components and its wavelength range is 10 to the power minus 3 meter to 3 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter, and frequency range is 3 into 10 to the power 11 hertz to 10 into 10 to the power 10 to the power 10 hertz. Last one is radio waves. Last one is radio waves. Its frequency range is 3 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter to 10 to the power 4 meter, while its frequency range is 10 to the power 10 hertz to 3 into 10 to the power 4 hertz. These wavelength range and these frequency ranges are arranged in such a way that you can learn or by heart properly with the help of tricks. Okay, that means the second range of each component becomes the first range of the next component, and this series is repeated in all 7 components. Okay, for example, here 10 to the power minus 10 meter, this is the second range, while its first range of it becomes first range of X-rays. The second limit of X-rays is 10 to the power minus 8 meter. This limit becomes first limit of the ultraviolet rays. Okay, this rule is obeyed in both wavelength range and frequency range. This table help you to learn both wavelength range and frequency range. Okay, here two main components of electromagnetic spectrums are visible light and microwaves. Okay, visible light is suitable for the sensation of our eyes. Our eyes work proper in the presence of visible light. It is also used in chemical reactions. Visible light is also distributed in 7 components, like according to their wavelengths: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. These are the 7 components of the visible light. The wavelength in nanometer: 400 nanometer to 420 nanometer of violet color of light. Violet component of visible light. Indigo has wavelength 420 nanometer to 450 nanometer. Blue has wavelength range 450 nanometer to 500 nanometer. Green has wavelength range 500 nanometer to 570 nanometer. Yellow has 570 nanometer to 600 nanometer, and orange has 600 nanometer to 650 nanometer, while red has 650 to 750 nanometer. This rule is also obeyed here. That means the second limit of violet becomes first limit of indigo, and second limit of indigo also become first limit of blue, and this rule is obeyed all components of the visible light. Okay. Similarly, microwaves have 4 main components. Look here. Medium waves, its frequency range varies from 0.3 megahertz to 3 megahertz. Okay. And short waves, whose frequency range varies from 3 megahertz to 30 megahertz. And VHF, that means very high frequency wave, 30 MHz to 300 MHz. And UHF, ultra high frequency wave, which has frequency range 300 MHz to 3000 megahertz. All these wavelength range, frequency range, either electromagnetic spectrum or components of visible light and microwaves, are here arranged in obeying same rule. Okay, this definitely help you by heart the wavelength range and frequency range. Okay, now I am going to explain usage of components of EM waves. Okay, gamma rays are commonly used by the physiotherapist in radiotherapy. It is also used for the treatment of tumors, cancers, etc. It has very high penetrating power. Okay. X-rays are mainly used in medical sciences. It has ability to detect the defects of internal organs of our stomach and fracture bones. Okay. Next one is ultraviolet rays. Ultraviolet rays are used to see on first documents unseen literary source of walls, pillars, etc. Okay. Visible light is sensitive to the eye. Okay. And it is also used in chemical reactions. Infrared light are used in remote system of TV, VCR, okay, AC and any other electrical equipments. It is used in long distance photography. Okay. Microwaves. It is used in microwaves weapons. It is also used in the study of molecular structure. Okay. Radio waves. It is used in radio communication, television communication, etc. These are the some uses of components of EM waves. Okay. Now in next class I will teach you some related numericals and terms of EM waves. Till thank you. Have a nice day.